How to change name in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to change name on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the top right corner. Select it. Scroll down and here you can find name right here. Tap on it. Now simply remove this name and add a new name just like this and tap on to done. And now simply you have changed the name into the Encode app. It is a very easy process, right? Now do the same process to simply change your name onto this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.